I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You need 3 essentials: an iPhone or iPad with the latest iOS, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on, and the Home app signed into your Apple ID. Once ready, plug in the HomePod and place your device within a few feet. You should see an automatic setup prompt in the Home app. Tap Continue. Follow the on-screen pairing animation and choose the room. Make sure to enable personal requests if you want messages and reminders routed to the HomePod. Once paired, you configure the details. Pick the room and confirm the time zone so automations work correctly. Make sure Siri language and voice recognition match household users. This improves personal request accuracy. If you have 2 HomePods, set them as a stereo pair from the Home app for balanced sound. Also enable handoff to stream audio from your device seamlessly. Finally, review listening and privacy settings so you can finish by testing basic commands. Say, "Hey Siri, what's the weather?" And try Home app controls. If Siri doesn't respond, make sure microphones aren't muted and your device is on the same Wi-Fi network. If pairing stalls, restart the HomePod by unplugging for 10 seconds, then plug back in and retry setup. As a last resort, reset the HomePod in the Home app or press the top for about 10 seconds until the light flashes red, then set up again from scratch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.